How to fix Verizon Fios TV remote not working. If you're having issues with your Verizon Fios TV remote not working, don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get your remote working again. So let's jump right in. First things first, check the batteries in your remote. If your remote isn't responding at all, the batteries may be dead. To check, flip the remote over and remove the battery cover. Replace the old batteries with fresh ones, making sure they're properly aligned with the correct polarity. Sometimes just swapping out the batteries will solve the issue. If the batteries are fine but your remote still isn't working, the next step is to reset the remote. To do this, press and hold the OK and menu buttons on the remote at the same time for 10 to 15 seconds. After this, release the buttons and you should see the red light blink a few times and turn off. This resets the remote and may help resolve any communication issues it's having with your Fios box. If you're still having trouble, check for signal interference. Make sure there is no obstruction blocking the line of sight between the remote and the Fios TV, especially if you're using the remote's infrared sensor. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps help you get your Verizon Fios TV remote working again.